Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening the sequence you want to modify in the timeline. Then navigate to Sequence Settings in the top menu and choose Sequence Settings. In the Sequence Settings dialog box, change the frame size based on your needs. Once you have made the necessary adjustment, press enter and click OK to apply the new sequence size. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.